everyone. So our topic for this week is interpreting the mean and variance of a probability distribution. So in this topic, we need to know how to become a decision maker. Everyone should have this skill to become wise, especially in making decisions. In every day, we encounter every situations where we have to choose the right option or best option to arrive in right decision. One day, you become a successful engineer, teacher, and so on and so forth, which is to decide on your future financial situations. So therefore, in this lesson, we interpret the mean and variance of a probability distribution that give you on how to weigh things to choose the right option. Okay, first, you need to know what is the formula to be used. So we have first formula, that is the mean sub x is equal to the summation of x sub I times p of x. So this is the formula in getting the mean of a discrete random variable. Next is the variance is equal to the square root of x squared times p of x minus the mean squared. So this is the getting the standard deviation of a discrete random variable. Okay, suppose an unpaired die is rolled and let x be the random variable representing the number of dots that would appear with a probability distribution below. So ito ang makikita natin, yung outcome and probability. So we have outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And probability 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.5, 0.1, and 0.1. Next, find the value of mean. Okay, first you have to find the value of mean using this formula. That is, the mean is equal to summation of x sub I times p of x. So substitute times is equal to 1 times 0.1 plus 2 times 0.1 plus 3 times 0.1 plus 4 times 0.5 plus 5 times 0.1 plus 6 times 0.1. And the mean is equal to 3.7. Therefore, the mean of the probability distribution is 3.7. Since the mean is equal to 3.7, you can say that the average number of dots that would appear is number near to 3.7, which is 4. Okay, if we repeat the experiment over and over, there is higher possibility the 4 dots will always appear, since the average number of dots that would appear is 4. So, yung masasabi natin na kapag ilang beses natin itong inulit, ang may possibility na lumabas ay 4. To determine the variability of the assumed values from the mean, use the formulas for finding variance and standard deviation. But first, construct a table like the one on the next slide. So this is the table. P of x times p of x squared, and x squared times p of x. Write the value of outcome. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the probability, we have 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.5, 0.1, 0.1. First, you have to multiply x times p of x. 1 times 0.1, 0.1. 2 times 0.1, 0.2. 3 times 0.1, 0.3. 4 times 0.5, 2. 5 times 0.1, 0.5. 6 times 0.1, 0.6. Then you have to square the value of x. We have 1 squared, 1. 2 squared, 4. 3 squared, 9. 4 squared, 16. 5 squared, 25. And 6 squared, 36. And then you have to multiply x squared times p of x. First, 1 times 0.1, 0.1. 4 times 0.1, 0.4. 9 times 0.1, 0.9. 16 times 0.5, 8. 25 times 0.1, 2.5. 36 times 0.1, 3.6. And then you have to add this part, that is the summation of x squared times p of x is equal to 15.5. Okay, next, use the formula to get the variance. Variance squared is equal to the summation of x squared times p of x minus u squared is equal to 15.5 minus 3.7. So this is the answer in the summation of x squared times p of x, and the u is the 3.7, which is the mean. 3.7 squared. So 15.5 minus 3.7 squared, the answer is 1.81. Okay, so we have to get the SD. SD is equal to, what is the variance? Variance squared. That is 1.81. The square root of 1.81 is 1.35. So therefore, the variance of the random variable x, the number of dots appeared, is equal to 1.81, while the standard deviation is equal to 1.35. Take note that the small variance or standard deviation means that the assumed values or data points tend to be very close to the mean. Okay, while higher variance or standard deviation means that the assumed values or data points are spread out from the mean. So, sana makatulong sa inyo to, and that's all for today.